Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using For Unto Us, and this is the sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using For Unto Us, and we're going to be using Hark the Herald Angels Sing, and then Glory to the Newborn King. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and it just has to be big enough to fit the second to the largest stitch shaped squares. And then I have our first sentiment mounted on clear block D. It does fit on C, but it's a little bit snug, so I like to be able to have everything covered. Well, let me get a piece of all right, I'm just going to put that down there, and I will put my silver embossing powder. All right, okay, so I have my piece of Whisper White, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to come in with my Versamark ink pad, and for the smaller sentiment, I have it mounted on clear block B. And we'll put that right in the center. And we'll put our silver embossing powder. And we'll shake off the excess. Okay, and I'm going to come in with my heat tool. I'm going to give it a minute to warm up. Okay, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And first, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the stitch square. And then run that through. All right, and then we're also going to be doing a little embossing. So I have the Wrapped in Texture folder, and then I have a piece of the silver foil sheet. All right, we'll run that through. I love the way the embossing comes out on the foil sheets that we carry. Look at that. All right, so we will put this aside. And I'll come back in with my image. All right, so just like that. we can start putting this card together. I have another piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to get my silver foil and my Stampin' Seal. And I'm just going to butt it up. Just like that, and I'm going to give it a good rub down from behind. Oops. And then I did cut it a little bit longer, and that was cut at 2 by 5 1/16, I believe. All right, and now I'm going to come in with my metallic edged ribbon. And I'm just going to place it right next to it, to where it's overlapping like that. I am using the last of my tape. All right, so we can place this down. Oh no. Okay, I have my card base. It is gray granite, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So let me straighten out this ribbon. All right, so just like that. And I'm doing this for our team sketch challenge. So we're just going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm going to go ahead and put 5. All right. I'm going to put that down right there, and then I'm going to come in with the frosted and clear epoxy droplets, and I think I'm going to use the clear ones because they kind of look silver. So let's see. I think I'm going to use big one and 2 small ones. All right, and then we're going to place this sentiment inside our card. All right, there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Also, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter. It's right up top on my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.